Welcome to this guided meditation session. Take a moment to find a comfortable seated or lying position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply, feel your body starting to relax. Allow your mind to clear, letting go of any thoughts or worries that may be racing through your mind. Imagine yourself in a peaceful and calm place, a place where you feel safe and at ease. Visualize a beautiful, peaceful scenery. Perhaps a beach with calm waves, a forest with tall trees, or a mountaintop with a clear sky. In this place, everything is peaceful and you are surrounded by calm and tranquility. As you take in the peaceful scenery, imagine a warm, soothing light surrounding you. Allow yourself to be wrapped up in this light, feeling comforted and supported. Imagine the warmth of the light seeping into your muscles, soothing and releasing any tension. Take a deep breath in and release it slowly. As you exhale, let go of any negative emotions or thoughts you may be holding on to. Allow yourself to release all of the tension and stress you have been carrying with you. Imagine the warmth of the soothing light expanding to cover your entire body, washing away any negativity and filling you with calm and tranquility. Feel your breath becoming slower and deeper as you become more and more relaxed. As you continue to focus on your breathing, allow yourself to become more and more present in this peaceful place. You are safe and protected, surrounded by calming energy that is guiding you towards inner peace. If you find your mind starting to wander, simply bring your focus back to your breath. Breathe deeply, slowly, and steadily. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed, more and more peaceful. Take a moment to scan your body, noticing any areas where you may still be holding on to tension. Allow the warm, soothing light to flow into these areas, releasing any tension and bringing you even deeper into a state of relaxation. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, feel your body becoming more and more at ease. You are safe, supported, and surrounded by love and compassion. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale, feeling grateful for this moment of inner peace and tranquility. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a moment to appreciate the stillness and calmness you've created within yourself. Remember this feeling and carry it with you as you move through the rest of your day. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.